A very good evening to one and all present here. As we all know that this week we are celebrating the banking week.
Shift towards advisory model. This is one of the very major trends which is happening, guys. So this is more of a regulatory trend which the regulator has introduced. Wealth management is a very regulated industry because there are multiple regulators who are operating in this. First of all, there is the RBI. Secondly, there is SEBI. So this primarily advisory model has been suggested by SEBI and what it typically means. So earlier, I'll just give you a background. Earlier, what used to happen was that there used to be something called a distribution model. So distribution model was something where I, as a bank, as an employee of a bank, would go to a client, sell my product, mutual fund, PMS, AIF. I would not charge anything to the client. I will come back, and whatever commission I have to get, I will get from the manufacturer.
Before I go ahead, let's go to the second page of the PPT and let me ask you some questions. Can anyone say what MRF stands for? What's full form of MRF?
Madras Rubber Factory.
Perfect.
Madras Rubber Factory.
That was an easy one. What is the second logo? Which is this logo?
Airbnb.
Page Industries.
Jockey. Perfect. That's the right answer. It's Jockey. Now, Jockey is listed in Indian markets. Let's go the tough one. What is the company which is traded as Jockey in India?
Page Industries. Page
Perfect.
I am a huge fan of Tolkien and Lucas films, and Star Wars has a great mindshare in my thought process. The nearest symbolic meaning of change to me can be the rise of the Empire, or the whole series of the Star Wars episodic events. And the best part of any Star Wars movie, all those three trilogies built into, was the scroll which went on and as a prologue, wherein it was a long time in time. The galaxy went through so and so changes, and they set up the tone. So I think the juxtaposition in today's time is any industry. We take it food tech, we take it edutech, we take it banking, we take it insurance, is being pushed on its corridors through the traditional mindset.